This drone is huge and it can deliver a package. In order for me to build this drone, I started by preparing the template for the center frame, as this would hold all the components and the motor arms together. Once the template was ready, it was transferred to a 3 mm plywood that are reinforced with fiberglass and epoxy. This created a composite structure that improved the strength of the plywood. I mounted some components that I 3D printed with PETG filaments or PETG filaments. This component is going to hold the carbon fiber motor arms together with the center frame. Then I made sure to install the ESC for the motors before covering the top center frame. The ESC stands for Electronic Speed Controller, and it basically controls how fast the motor spin based on the PWM signal. Before installing the flight controller, I made sure to configure all the parameters required for the drone. After that, there was already time to install the flight controller, which is basically the brain of the drone, along with the GPS and the telemetry module. The motor and the propeller configuration that I'm using for this drone actually requires a 50-volt power setup. So I connected the batteries in series to get the 50 volts according to the motor specification. Then I conducted a spool-up test to ensure that the motors are spinning in the right direction before installing the propeller. The landing gear was made with some carbon fiber tube and held together with a 3D printed C-joint. Once everything was ready, it was time to fly. If you're interested in seeing a more detailed video about this project, make sure you check out my YouTube channel. Follow for more cool projects like this.